And I'm going to put a diagram out in front of you. So the diagram is going to be a kind of an order of what the cones are in. So we got 2 green, 2 yellow, and then it just continues from there. So I'm going to set this, it's going to be an open book exam. So I'm going to have this out in front of you. But your job is going to be to set the cones up along the black platform in the same color order that you see in the picture. Okay? We're going to do that standing up. So sit as long as you want to. When you need to stand, I'll give you a boost and we'll get on up here. Doing great. Your color orders so far 100% accurate. I also like that you're bringing that left hand into play. So you're passing the cone from the right to the left, using it to help you get things positioned. And we're just over halfway done. Only feedback I'd provide on occasion is to tune that posture up a little bit, if you could. And I know that's probably an ongoing battle. Ooh, great job. Good. Now, when your left hand helped your right, bring your right hand in. It could help you out too, if you need it. Okay, give me some feedback, 0 to 10. How tired do you feel, or how difficult was that for you?
I'm just a little tired, but that was good.